Before connecting the power cable, make sure that the input voltage is selected according to your location. Then plug in the power cable to the amplifier and to the power socket. Connect the DIN plug of the potential head stage to the amplifier. Secure the plug by turning the metal sleeve clockwise. The D-sub connector of the current head stage secures itself with an audible click. The current electrode side of the model cell is connected to the current head stage. Secure the connector with the sleeve nut. The potential head stage is connected to the DIN adapter and secured with a bayonet lock. Finally, connect the reference connector and the ground plug to the rear of the potential head stage.